These three tiny habits are secretly wrecking your skin barrier. And the wild part, you're probably doing them every single day. Now, if you're washing your face 2, 3, even 4 times a day, you're stripping your skin barrier. Your skin is not supposed to feel tight or squeaky clean. Now, tight means damaged, squeaky clean means stripped. I want you to cleanse once at night, cleanse in the morning only if you need it, and choose a gentle hydrating cleanser. Now, if you want the full explanation, go back and watch my video on transitioning to non-toxic skincare because I break this all down there in detail. Now, alcohols and synthetic fragrances are super harsh preservatives, and they slowly break down your barrier until your skin can't hold moisture at all. So if you're consistently dry or you're feeling irritated, it's usually your product, not your skin. I want you to start turning your bottles around and looking in the ingredients. Use natural, botanical, God-given ingredients your skin actually knows what to do with. Now, if this hits home, go watch my video on what your skin's trying to tell you because it's all going to start to click. Now, over exfoliating, let's talk about that. If you're exfoliating every day, stop right now. Your skin heals in layers. And when you keep scrubbing those layers off, your skin never gets a chance to actually repair. You're just doing damage. So I want you to exfoliate 1 to 2 times max per week and choose an enzyme exfoliant, not sandpaper. Hey, I'm Nikki Matias and I'm a paramedical and cosmetic tattoo artist, and I've spent years working on real faces and helping people just like you heal their skin naturally and understand what it really needs to thrive without toxins, confusion, or that 10-step routine. So here's what you can do instead. I want you to simplify your routine because your skin doesn't need more steps, it just needs the right one. Then I want you to rebuild your nourishment with frankincense, myrrh, sandalwood, botanical oils that are rich in fatty acids, high in antioxidants, and will repair your skin barrier. And then next, I want you to restore with a barrier supporting serum. This is why I created Skin Revival when I'm doing paramedical tattoo work, because I need something that's clean, healing, and restorative, and high in those lipids and fatty acids that our skin really, really craves as it's healing and as we lose as we age. Now, your skin isn't the problem. Your skin is actually communicating to you. Now, once you stop stripping it, stop overwhelming it, and you start feeding it what God designed it to thrive on, everything will change. Your skin comes back softer, it'll come back stronger, healthier, and happier. Now, if you want to know exactly what your skin barrier needs right now, take my Where to Start skincare quiz because it'll show you the very first steps to rebuilding your skin safely and naturally. And if this has helped you, please like and subscribe so more women like you can take their power back through truth and education. Your skin can heal. Let's help it do what it's designed to do because aging gracefully really begins with truth and a little rebellion.